Hello guys, are you tired of losing money every time when you deposit and you want to trade Forex, gold and cryptocurrency? In today's video, I'm going to be revealing a very powerful scalping strategy that enable you to stay profitable when you're trading these financial assets. If you're watching me for the first time, please kindly subscribe, like and comment. Okay, so let's quickly look at how this strategy works. So we're going to be looking at Forex, then we'll look at gold, then we'll quickly look at examples in cryptocurrency. Okay, so I'm in a gold chart and I'm on a 5 minute chart. So that means this strategy is used on a 5 minute chart. So let's quickly look at how this strategy can be used. So the first condition is this: the price has to be above this red line, indicating that there's a bullish trend. So the red line is our trend filter. It tells us when to buy and when to sell. When these candles are above this red line, it means that we'll be looking for buying opportunities. So that's the first condition. Okay, then the second condition is this: we need to come back on our indicator window and we're gonna look at the stochastic. So we have this lime green line, so it has to cross above 20 level here, like what took place at this particular level. So that's the second condition. What is this indicating? It's indicating that price has reached an oversold level. So when it crosses above the 20 level, it means that we're now moving from a bearish trend going to a what? To a bullish trend. Okay, it's fine. So the final condition that will give you an entry is this one. So we have these two lines here, which is our EMA band, which is the white and the lime line here is going to be our entry. So when we now wait for a candle to close above this white line, the candle must close above this light line, a white line. So what will be taking place is this: price will move up and then it will bounce on this EMA band, these two lines. So this is what will be taking place. So what you want to do is this: when you now have a candle like what took place here, a candle that closes above the white line, you're going to open your buy position and you're going to, where are you going to place your stop loss? Your stop loss is going to be below the recent swing low. So our stop loss was going to be below this particular level here. This was our recent swing low and we're going to place our stop loss here just below this EMA band. So another thing that you can do when it comes to stop loss, you can just maintain a 2:1 risk to reward ratio. So you can maintain a 2:1 risk to reward ratio. That means in this particular scenario, we are on a 5 minute time frame. You can risk 5 to 10 pips. 5 to 10 pips. So that means your take profit is going to be, if you're going to be using 5 pips as your stop loss, your take profit is going to be 10 pips. You're using a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So if you're going to be using 10 pips, your take profit is going to be 20 pips. It's a 1:2. So basically that's how you set your stop loss. So a rule of thumb is that you're going to only use what? You're going to only use 5 pips depending on the account size that you're using. If your account is very small, I recommend that you use at least 5 pips. Okay, let's move on. So we've talked about the stop loss and the take profit, but I'm gonna show you guys another way that you can make use when you're using this as trading using this particular strategy. So you see these two lines here. They will help you to have what we call your trailing stops. They will also act as a trailing stop. You got your entry right around this particular level here. That's when you go to entry and price is moving in your direction. So you're gonna hold that particular trade until price crosses below the white line. When you now have a candle that crosses below the white line, like what took place here, let me just zoom in. This took place here. You need a bearish candle that will close below the white line. That's when you're going to exit, because there will be a possibility that price can reverse and start to move downwards. So you can use these two lines for your entry, and you can also use it for your trailing stop, where you hold that trade as long as price stays above those two lines. So when price crosses below the white line, that's when you exit. So this is how we buy using this particular strategy. So let's look for a selling example that we can make use of. Okay, let's look at what was taking place here. Okay, one, price is below the red line, which is our trend filter. So when price is below, it's indicating that we are bearish, we're in a downtrend, price is moving down. Then when now you're going to go now to your indicator window and check your stochastic. On your stochastic, what is taking place? We can see that the stochastic is reached 80 level and is now crossing 80 level. That's the second condition. Then for your entry, you're gonna make use of the line, which is this green line here, which is below this particular level here. This is going to act as your entry. So you need a bearish candle, a red candle that will now close below this particular level. When that happens, you're going to enter. So your entry was going to be here. And where are you going to place your stop loss? Above the recent swing low. So our swing low was above here. So this is where you're going to place your stop loss. So approximately here, okay, your stop loss is just above this recent swing low. Or you can make use of our 5 to 10 candles as your stop loss. So if your account is big, you can make use of 10 pips. But if your account is very small, just make use of 5 pips. Or you can just target the recent swing low and place your stop loss just above that previous swing high. We are talking about this swing high. Your stop loss is just above here. Then for your take profit, you can make use of a 1:2, like what we discussed when we were looking at buy, a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and then you get your take profit. But if you want to use this band as the EMA bands, I call them the EMA bands, as your trailing stop, you just need to hold the trade. You entered around this particular level and you're holding this particular trade as long as price is trading below this particular level. So here you can see we didn't have a candle that closed below this level. There was a continuation here, although price came and bounced from these lines here. Then from this particular level, we're going to close. When we now have a bullish candle that is now closing above the green or lime line here, that's when we're going to close. As simple as this. This is how we use this particular strategy. So let's quickly look at other assets. So I looked at an example in gold. Let's quickly look at Forex. So I'm gonna use Euro USD as okay. So we're still on our 5-minute time frame. Then let's check the conditions. Let's check the conditions. Okay, one. Okay, this I know this was due to news events. This was due to news NFP. Okay, let's quickly look. One, price is trading below the red line, indicating that we'll be looking for selling opportunity because the price is overall bearish. So we're gonna look for an example in this particular asset. Okay, let's look at what took place here. One, price is still below the red line, our trend filter. Then we're gonna go to the indicator window and we're gonna look at the stochastic indicator. So the stochastic has to cross above, indicating that there is an overbought, and when it crosses below, it's now moving or reversing from a bullish trend to a bearish trend, or it's now moving from buying, it's now going to selling. So that's the second condition. Then for your entry, you're gonna wait for a candle to close below the green or the lime line here. This is the entry. So you got your entry right around this particular level, and then we said 5 pips above the previous swing high. So we're gonna place 5 pips here. So our swing high was here. We're gonna place our stop loss just above here, or you can just make use of 5 pips as your stop loss. Then you hold the trade. As long as price is trading below this particular level, you're holding this trade. You're in this trade. You can see we're going to get a lot of profit from this movement. And then from there, when a bullish candle closes above the lime line here, then you close your trade. So you're going to close here. Look at the big movement that occurred in this particular market. You see, there was a big movement. So that's how easy it is. So there are 2 ways to set your stop loss, your take profit. One, you can use the EMA bands, these lines as your trailing stop, or you can just make use of a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So here we looked at a selling example. Let's look at a bullish example. Okay, here what do we have here? We have price trading above the red line, which is our trend filter. Then you're gonna wait now for a candle to close above that level. Once you have checked your stochastic, you see here price is closed above the 20 level here. Then you're gonna wait for an entry. You're waiting now for an entry which took place here. when we have a bullish candle that closes above the white line, then you enter. Then your recent swing low was going to be below this particular level here. That's where you're going to place your stop loss. So your entry is here. You have your entry right around this particular level. Then you hold the trade. We said you can make use of a 1:2 risk to reward ratio, where you can use 5 pips, 5 to 10 pips as your SL. That means your take profit is going to be 10 to 20 pips. So you can choose depending on the size of your account. Then you hold the trade. That's another way that we talked about, where you're using these EMA bands, the white and the lime line, as your exit. So you're holding this trade as long as price is trading above here, and you see price came here and bounced from this particular level here. So these lines, apart from giving us a trailing stop and also an entry, it depends. When price is above the red line, they help us to, they act like dynamic supports. So you see price came here, it found support on this particular level, and then it pushes upwards. Then at this particular level, we have a candle that closed below the white line. So this is where we're going to exit. Our entry was here, and we're going to exit around this area. And you see the reason why I use this line after the crossing below this white line. What then happened? Price started to drop and started to reverse. So that's very important. When a support is broken, there is a possibility that price will start to move in the opposite direction. So this is exactly what happened. You see, a support was broken, came to a retest, and it was now a resistance. Then price was now dropping down. So let's quickly look at how we can use. So we can see in gold, this strategy was working perfectly. In gold, this strategy was working perfectly, and we can also see that in Euro USD, a forex pair, it's also working perfectly. Let's quickly look at how this strategy can be implemented when we are looking at BTC. Want to look at BTC USD. It's a very powerful scalping strategy, So let's look at BTC USD, cryptocurrency. Okay, so in BTC USD cryptocurrency, we're gonna see how this strategy can be implemented. We're still following the same conditions, the same rules. One, the price has to be below this, has to be above. We are looking for buying opportunity. Price is trading above the red line. Then what you have to do is this: you come here to your stochastic indicator, check here, it closed above the 20 oversold region. It reached the oversold here region at this particular level. It reached the oversold region here at this particular level. Then you're gonna come here on the main chart. Now you're gonna use your EMA bands, these white and lime lines. So here you're gonna get an entry when you have a bullish candle that closes above the white line. When this happens, like what took place here, you're going to open a buy position. So you're going to buy here your stop loss 5 pips, 5 to 10 pips as your SL, or you can make use of the recent swing low. Then you're going to hold the trade one. So it depends if you're going to be having a fixed take profit. So that means you'll be maintaining a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So your TP, if you're using 5, it will be 10 pips. If you're using 10 pips as your stop loss, then your take profit is going to be 20 pips. It's 1:2. So here you get an entry. Then from there, price is going to move up, and then you're staying in the market, and then you're going to exit at this particular level. I told you it's very, very important to exit when price crosses the white line, because in most cases you see that price will tend to reverse. You see here price was now moving downward, so it's very important to exit when price reaches this particular level. Then let's look for a selling condition where price was selling, price was moving down. Let's look at this particular level here. Price is trading below the red line. That's the first condition. Then if you come here on your stochastic indicator, price reached the overbought region, and it crossed the 80 level. Then you're gonna come here on your main chart where we have the EMA bands, the white and the lime lines. Here you need a candle. You want a candle to close. So you want a candle to close below this lime line. When this happens, you're going to get an entry, and then you hold the trade here. We said our risk or our stop loss is going to be 5 to 10 pips. Then you hold this trade. Then your take profit, if you're using a fixed, stop loss and take profit, it will be 1:2. So your take profit, if you're using 5, it will be 10 pips. But if you're going to be using 10, it's going to be 20 pips as your take profit. Then here we are going to be using, we're going to exit when price reached closes above this line, like what happened here. Then you exit the position. So this is a very powerful scalping strategy. Close. It's a very powerful scalping strategy, very powerful. And the most important thing is this: when you're trading a small account, you want to stay in the market for long so that you can get as much profit as possible. So we looked at an example, a selling example, and an example where we were buying in BTC. So I want you guys to go and do your back testing with this particular strategy. I want you guys, when you're done, I know that most people, when they have discovered that this strategy is very profitable, they don't mind, they don't I don't know, maybe they forget to come back and comment what they observe from this particular strategy. It's very important to come back and give us a feedback so that we know that this strategy is working. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. So what I did is this: if you go on our channel, which is www.dcfxtrading.com, the indicator is now available. This indicator is now available. Okay, let's just quickly go to that website. This indicator is now available, guys. It's now available. In our next video, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I was able to make profit. I have discovered the best way to trade news, NFP. Today I used the strategy and I made a very good profit. So I'm gonna, in our next video, that's what we're gonna be looking at. But before I go, I just want to show you guys where you can get this indicator that I've created on this particular website. So we said our website is www.dcfxtrading.com. So I'm gonna click there. Then it will take you guys to our website. On our website, this is our website. So this is our website here. So if you click here, we have different I try to make some changes on this particular website. We now have indicators on their own, trading strategies on their own, trading robots on their own. So we are interested in trading strategies. So this strategy is there. The PDF is also there. This is the PDF that explains what I'm talking about. But if you want this PDF for free, just make sure you like, you comment on the on this particular video. Then you also subscribe to our channel. Then you also hit the notification bell so that when we release more content, you'll be notified. So this indicator that you see here, the EMAstoc strategy, the PDF is now available on our website. You can go and download it. But if you want it for free, just make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this particular video. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and then you send me a screenshot. My WhatsApp number is it's in the description. Send a WhatsApp message with the screenshots, and then I'll give you this indicator for free. Okay, apart from that, we have also managed to create if you go back to our menu, go on indicators. The indicator is now available. Which is the EMAstoc. So we have one that is there for volatility, step, jump, drift, shifting indices. So this one is for derived synthetic indices. It's also there. Then these arrows that you see on your side here, they are used for navigating. If you click it, it will take you to the next indicator. So here, the one that is there for Forex, the EMAstoc indicator for gold, Forex, and cryptocurrency is now available on our website. So you can also visit our website and get this indicator. So the indicator will basically, I will do a separate video where I will show you guys how this indicator works. Guys, thank you so much for your time. It's bye-bye for now.